this is what the boys gotta get, even for the street. Get some radios. Straight.
Whoa! 6.334 at 110 miles an hour.
RSL.
Ah, what's up?
Good job, man.
Trying to thing, man.
Training fast trainers.
We back again with RSL Racing. RSL Racing, anyway. we here. How you do you think, buddy?
No, we here.
You got wrestling me, I know you want.
It's good. We're having fun. Of course.
8.5 seconds and 84.7 miles an hour. It looks like we can't go here. Wait, no. Wait. What's going on here? Whoa! Look at that. But Daniel Elliott with the reaction time was 0.197 and Jerome 0.455, giving the win to Daniel. That was nice. That was nice. We got Toronto here versus the 370s at the gate. Somebody can get the back wheel up with these two big 6-cylinder cars. One is a V6, one is an inline 6. One is 3.7 liter, one is 3 liter with a shock. With a 7.7! K-Series versus 4AGE. This should be a good race. Reaction time is 0.101 and his time is 9.363 with a miles per hour of 78.52. Wait, sorry, no, that was my few stats. Sorry about that. Reaction time is 0.088 with a 1.960 foot doing the 8th hardest working racer at the event. Nobody put in more races than Charlene. All right, then line up. Yeah. Look at Daniel up front. Daniel with a reaction time of 0.224, beating Charlene's 0.307. He also, you know what? Practice, repetition. You don't just do it. You don't just follow the bed and come and race. All right, we got Nice here coming up now. Who racing now? Who racing now? All right, now you're going to number yourself. Anybody here for the Callahan? Come on, Harper!
Suffering a lot of high temperatures, so and then we gotta be waiting at the long.
Yeah. Behind the scenes.
So what's our tires is not bumping with people? We can see it and we're going. This is what the boys gonna get, even for the street. Get some radios. Street? Man, well, don't go to the street, company track. They best thing to do. Company track. So you gotta tell the man know how much horsepower this thing pushes.
To be honest, right? We had a little chat on the chat. RSL.
Ah, what's up? What's up?
Good job, man.
Trying a thing, man.
Training fast trainers.
Hey, fellas. You gonna edit in that video.
Damn.
But this is a machine. Yes, they want to be live, right? We're back again with RSL Racing, RSL Racing. Anyway, we here. Do you think, buddy? No, we here with.
You gonna question me? I know you want.
We here with Clifford, and we here with Sammy coming back.
Watch Clifford next 2 months. Clifford, you don't need one of the fastest. We take care of it. Next 2 months.
I can tell you saying that.
I really want to put too much information into it. I was told that I was talking that. They're trying to keep it alive.
We have races, we go.
Let's get overly excited. Let's let people know what's going on.
Nobody's passionate about this thing.
I don't know how, but good things coming. Good things coming. So stay tuned.
And it already real fast. So what's our things are running on, man? For the people that don't know how to stick in, so.
I start off at 7:50, but by any day you do a 7:50. My fastest thing to do is 7:00. You know your mic. You know what to do. Yeah. You got me.
I got a man that was good guys too, that named Mitchell. I remember back in the day, Mitchell was a real
I don't want my woman.
It's good. We're having fun. Of course.
Toast. Let me get the road. He He's only a straight line, man. That's all of the talk now. I think we don't forget this is Barbados Association of Drivers. Everybody see what we went. There's one event that you can show.
In my opinion, there's more facility right now for the car to go fast in Barbados. We just did a 6-1 in 6-1 in 8th. And we do a 6-7 and the car was spinning in 7 years.